Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to my video presentation. Previously, let me introduce myself. My name is Reina Karisma Putri with NPM 22411146 in Management Class 22B. Here I will explain about the organizational behavior course with the title of the material Personality, Emotion, and Motivation in Organization. And now, let's start the presentation. Definition. In the context of corporate organization, personality refers to the physiological characteristic of individuals that shape their behavior and interaction in the workplace. Emotion are psychological and physiological reaction to situation or experience that affect work performance and relationship, and motivation is the internal drive that drives individual to achieve organizational goals, which is also influenced by personal needs and values. Next, theory. Personality itself is divided into two theories, and namely, one, trait theory emphasizes that personality consists of various measurable traits, such as extroversion, and two, psychoanalytic theory states that personality is shaped by the conflict between instinct, instinctive drivers and social norms. Emotions are also divided into two types, and namely, one, positive emotion are happiness, love, and gratitude. Two, negative emotion are anger, anxiety, and sadness. Next, and motivation is also divided into two types, and namely, one, intrinsic motivation is a drive that comes from within the individual, or for example, personal satisfaction. Two, extrinsic motivation is a drive that comes from external factor, or for example, award or recognition. Next, the relationship between personality, emotion, and motivation in organizational. The relationship between personality, emotion, and motivation in organizational behavior is important to understand, as these three elements influence and contribute to individual and team performance in a company. A person's personality, which includes traits such as extroversion, openness, and emotional stability, can influence how an individual responds to situations in the workplace. For example, employees with an extrovert personality tend to interact and collaborate more easily with coworkers, which can improve team dynamics. Emotions also play a significant role. Positive emotions such as happiness can increase motivation and productivity, while negative emotions such as stress can hinder performance. In addition, motivation, both intrinsic and extrinsic, is a key driver that drives individuals to achieve their goals. Motivated employees tend to be more engaged in their work and demonstrate organizational citizenship behavior, or OCB, which reflect their commitment to the organization. Thus, these companies that understand and effectively manage employee personality, emotion, and motivation can create a more productivity and harmonious work environment. Next, role. Personality, emotion, and motivation play a crucial role in shaping individual behavior within an organization. Personality determines how a person interacts with others, and how they approach challenges in the workplace. For example, individuals with an extrovert personality are often more proactive in collaborating and communicating, with those who are more introvert might be more comfortable working independently. Emotion, on the other hand, influence an employee mood and attitude, which can impact their performance. Positive emotions such as enthusiasm can enhance productivity and creativity, while negative emotions such as anxiety can hinder performance, and motivation serves as the primary driver that drives individuals to achieve their goals. Intrinsically motivated employees tend to be more committed to their work and are more prepared to take on challenges. These three elements are interrelated. Personality influence how individuals feel and express emotion. Emotion can influence motivation level, and motivation in turn can influence behavior exhibited in the workplace. Therefore, a good understanding of the interplay between these three aspects is essential for management to create a productive and supportive environment. And well, everyone, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.